Today we got this pretty clean Serato. Gonna be doing headers on it, white pipe, wires, spark plugs. So yeah, very clean truck. I'm gonna start off by taking the wires off on both sides, taking the dipstick out, and putting the truck up on the lift and start heating up all the nuts and bolts under it and start getting the stock exhaust off. Got the plug wires, got the dipstick out. Now got the truck up on the lift, ready to heat up those two bolts. These three over here. I gotta heat up these three over here and take the O2 sensor off so I can get to that one. This cross member has to get put the transmission up, drop the cross member, and get the white pipe out. Take the tires off, take the inner fenders out, and then be able to heat the manifold bolts and start taking everything off. Got the stock crossover off. Now I got the inner fenders out, tires off, inner fenders out. Now you can see all the bolts. This side's gonna be a little more tricky. You can see the inner fenders are there, all the parts. Moving over to this side. This side's the easier side, so we'll start with this side first. So yeah, time to pull these bolts and put a time lapse. Sorry for the noise, it's the torpedo heater, but got passenger side done. And got the driver's side done. Now time to clean the surface and put the new headers in. Now that the manifolds are off and everything's clean, I like to copper coat my gasket, so a little copper coat never hurt nobody. Do one good coat of it. Do both sides, let it get tacky, and then come back and put them on the truck. Let that sit and come back when they're tacking, put them on the truck. Got this side done. Time to move on to this side and let the time lapse start. Got the white pipe all mocked in. Gotta look for 2 more bolts for there. Tying this clamp here. That one's ready to get tightened. That one's ready also. That one's ready. So it's all mocked up, ready. But I'm gonna call it a night. Time to move all of this stuff, clean up a little bit, and put my truck inside. Shop truck's back inside. Oh, QA1 mod shocks. That's for a later video, but shop truck's back inside. Finally, get everything cleaned up. I got the old truck all the way up on the lift so I can fit mine down here. And now I'm gonna call it a day, go to sleep, and well, with the power editing in about a second, you guys will be bright and early in the morning and me finish this thing. It's been nothing but a headache. Bright and early in the morning. Got the bottom done. Clamps are all tight. O2 sensors are on, connected. Ready to get dropped down and finish putting the wires on, and the truck's back on the ground. Headers are in, plug wires are in, spark plugs are all in. Time to see if this deal will fire up.